about easy divorce lawyer keyword wins. Okay, we're streaming live here, so we started streaming before I was really ready for it. I work with a lot of divorce attorneys, and everyone that works with divorce lawyers, they're trying to rank for whatever city they're in. Say they're in the city of Austin, Texas, they're trying to rank for Austin divorce lawyer. Okay, so that's very high competition because basically every attorney in that city is trying to rank for Austin divorce lawyers. So what we try to figure out here is, how do we get easy wins, easy long tail traffic that actually converts into paying clients? And what I'm going to show you here is just a list of some of my favorite divorce lawyer topics. Let me see if I can bring this into another screen here. I'm going to try to share the screen. I'm going to share the screen and show you some of my best divorce lawyer keywords. Okay, this is a Google Doc that I have that my agency uses for just about any divorce lawyer that we work with. I'm going to make it a bit bigger here. Okay, if you want a copy of this, in the description of this YouTube video, okay, you will see my newsletter. All you need to do if you want me to send you a copy of this Google Doc is just join my newsletter and then reply to the first email that I send you, or send me an email back and just ask me, hey, I want that best divorce lawyer keywords Google Doc. Then I'll send you this, okay? Okay, so let's talk about who I am. I'm a lawyer marketing expert. You can find me at DustinSanchezTV.com. All of these keywords that I'm about to give you, they're city specific. Okay, for instance, if I tell you to try to rank for low cost divorce lawyer, what I mean is try to rank for Austin low cost divorce lawyer, or low cost divorce lawyer Austin. Okay, I'm just not going to put the city at the end of every one of these keywords. All right. Also, the deal with family law is it's typically by state. The jurisdiction for family law is the state that you're in. Okay, there's really no federal family law. It's different in each state. What that means is, if you're trying to rank for San Diego divorce lawyer cost, you could also pull clients for that law firm by ranking for California divorce lawyer cost. Or if you're trying to rank for Boston divorce lawyer cost, you could also rank for Massachusetts divorce lawyer cost. Okay. We have an advantage in divorce lawyer in that you can also rank for the state that the law firm practices in. And it's going to be lower competition because most SEO experts don't know anything about the law. They don't realize that it is a state jurisdiction, not only a city jurisdiction. Okay. So let's get to some of the keywords that I like to use. These are low competition keywords that the reason they're low competition is because they're related to cost, and no lawyer likes to portray themselves as the lowest cost attorney or as someone who gives a free consultation. The good news is, because of that, very few people try to actually rank for these keywords, meaning they are low competition. They're easy to rank for, but any of these cost terms convert very well, meaning someone searching cost is looking for an attorney to give their money to. Okay. Let's see, what if I did this? What if I did this and then made this just a bit bigger? So the first one I always rank for, and keep in mind, I do this with an inner page. I don't do this with the home page. Typically, there is a main keyword page. Like if you are a Boston divorce attorney, either your home page is trying to rank for Boston divorce attorney, or you have an inner page practice area, something like that, that's trying to rank for Boston divorce attorney. Okay, then with these, what I do is I make another page just devoted to these cost keywords. For instance, Boston divorce lawyer cost, cheap divorce lawyer Boston, low cost Boston divorce lawyer. Okay, these can all be a great page, just a separate inner page for these 3 keywords. Now you also have this flat fee divorce lawyer, which could go on that same page. For instance, flat fee divorce Boston, or flat fee divorce lawyer Boston, or Boston divorce lawyer free consultation, affordable divorce lawyer Boston. Now, everything I just mentioned can all go on one inner page, okay? Just manipulate the SEO meta title to say something like, it might look like this: Boston divorce lawyer cost, flat fee, and free consultation. That could be the SEO meta title, and then you'll use some of these other keywords in the heading: low cost, flat fee. Flat fee is a big one. Affordable. All of this can be in the H1 and the H2 tags and in the SEO description, okay? In any case, I like to do one page for the cost stuff, okay? And I'll do another page for what you see right here: uncontested, collaborative divorce mediation, uncontested divorce lawyer Boston, or Boston uncontested divorce lawyer -- collaborative divorce, mediation. That page, that can be another inner page that ranks for these sort of things. And these convert very well as well. And a lot of the attorneys like them because they just get an easy divorce case. They tell someone, $3,000, and it's easy work. Moving on. Okay, these keywords are low competition because they're just too obvious, okay? Any local client search engine optimization expert who has ever done any kind of affiliate marketing will know these keywords: reviews, best, and near me, okay? Why? Because those are the same keywords we used as affiliate SEO experts to generate income. So something like San Diego divorce lawyer reviews. That is very easy to rank. Very few people are competing for it. So let's say you have SmithLawFirm.com and they are a San Diego divorce lawyer. What I would do is make SmithLawFirm.com/reviews would be the URL. Excuse me. Then the meta title would be San Diego divorce lawyer reviews, okay? Now, since this is an inner page, and if you know how, you can insert the schema, and you can get the FAQ schema and take up more. Let's just find someone that's doing that, okay? What if we went and did something like Houston divorce lawyer reviews? Okay, then I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, so this is a search for Houston divorce lawyer reviews. Right here. See, this is an inner page. You can see they're using the FAQ schema, so they take up more real estate. Let's see if anyone else is doing that. I see this in a lot of cities, especially in the personal injury niche. For instance, let's go Philadelphia, Tampa car accident lawyer reviews. See this? This is an FAQ schema. Here's another person using an inner page. That's their FAQ schema. They get to take up more real estate. Here's another person using an inner page. And because they use these inner pages, they're able to use this FAQ schema where they get these drop downs and they can take up more real estate in the search ranking results, okay? That's why I don't try to rank the homepage for best Los Angeles divorce lawyer or Los Angeles divorce lawyer reviews. I make an inner page, that way I can insert that schema, okay, and take up more space in the SERPs, in the search engine result pages. So I'll do one page for all of this right here, okay, and it would be something like, let's call it Detroit divorce. Here we go. Best Detroit divorce lawyer -- reviews comma, attorneys near me. Okay, so what can that rank for? That inner page will rank for best Detroit divorce lawyer. It will rank for Detroit divorce lawyer reviews, Detroit divorce lawyers near me. And then you can use like good divorce lawyer in Detroit and the SEO meta description, or you can throw that, good right here if you have space for it in the SEO meta title. Okay, so this is just an inner page that can rank for all of those keywords there. And it's just a way to, one, you can show the client, hey, we're also ranking for San Diego divorce lawyer reviews. That's going to rank faster. You can show your client that you actually know what you're doing and you're making progress. Okay, because it may take a while to rank for San Diego divorce lawyer. It could take 6 months, 3 months, but you can probably rank for San Diego divorce lawyer reviews really quick. Or a lot of states have advertising rules, or some states have advertising rules against calling yourself the best divorce lawyer. So not a lot of people compete for that, meaning there's just not a lot of competition. You could throw that best divorce lawyer, the word best, somewhere in your SEO meta title without calling yourself the best divorce lawyer and easily rank for that term, which gets a lot of search volume in any major city. Okay, once again, if you want this Google Doc, comment below, join my newsletter, which is in the description of this video, and I will just email you this Google Doc. Just ask me for it in your first email to me, okay? Now we gotta talk about some gender-specific low competition keywords. Again, everyone in the city is trying to rank for Orlando divorce lawyer. Very few attorneys would know to make an inner page called Orlando divorce lawyer for men or Orlando men's divorce attorney. Okay. Orlando child support lawyer for dads. Okay. Those are going to rank easily. Orlando divorce lawyer for women. Same thing. Not a lot of people know to try to rank for that. So it's a very highly converting keyword. Someone gets there, they're further along in the sales funnel, they're more likely to call and hire this attorney. It's just really smart to rank for these low competition, high converting keywords, okay? Orlando child support lawyer for women, okay? A lot of times you can rank the same page. For instance, you could say Miami divorce lawyer for men and women in the SEO meta title, and that page will probably rank for both of these. Okay, and then here's one I found just a couple of years ago that really does well in any city: same-sex divorce lawyer. Same-sex marriage is legal all over the United States, so it's very recent, relatively recent, and people just don't know to compete for it. So every new client, they get a same-sex divorce lawyer inner page. That's just an easy win to show them when they're paying you $3,000 every month. You need to be able to show them rankings that matter. And so same-sex divorce lawyer will matter. What I also do is I tell the client, hey, your page one, number one for this keyword, notify your front desk that you may get calls from people asking if you handle same-sex marriage. And that person at the front desk should not say, I don't know, let me check with the attorney. Just treat them like any other incoming client, okay? But same-sex divorce lawyer is an easily rankable inner page, and it gets clients in every city. Let's talk about some long tail practice area keywords. These don't turn into paying clients as well as the keywords up above, but you're going to need relevant traffic to your website. You can't only rank for divorce lawyer, family lawyer. Google wants to see relevant family law traffic. And so I always do child support lawyer, child custody lawyer, adoption lawyer. Okay, this adoption lawyer ranks relatively fast. And it would look like this: child support lawyer, Miami, or Miami child support lawyer, Miami adoption lawyer. And then what I would even do is go best Miami adoption lawyer cost reviews. You know, that way if someone searches Miami adoption lawyer cost, you get that. Someone searches best Miami child support lawyer, you get that. This is the SEO meta title right here. And then you just write your article and your H1 and your H2 to rank for these, okay? Moving on, let me just delete this. I'm really showing you is how to build out a complete family law attorney website. Okay, I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. And here I just have more divorce lawyer blog topics. This is a clickable link. If you click this, show you my video I made how to find all kinds of divorce lawyer blog topics. Okay. Then what I want to talk about is my outlying city sniper method. This one I've been using since the beginning because it just works so well. Again, if you want this Google Doc, join the newsletter, email me, ask me for the easy divorce lawyer keywords Google Doc. I will send this directly to you. Okay, but what you can do is just go to Google and search cities and suburbs surrounding Austin or whatever big city you're in. So let me show you what that looks like. Here's Google. I'm just going to go cities and suburbs surrounding Austin. And you can see you'll just find a bunch of surrounding cities, okay, in your area. Why is that important? Because let's imagine that the law firm's main office is in Austin, Texas. Well, they would gladly take clients who live in nearby, like Round Rock or Pflugerville or Bastrop or Dripping Springs. You know, and if you have a big city lawyer like Austin, they're going to have more budget than, say, someone sitting in Dripping Springs. So you could probably easily outrank any Dripping Springs attorney with just a Dripping Springs inner page on your client's website. And the reality is they're all pretty much going to go to the same courthouse. You know, these courthouses are in counties. And I know, for instance, in Houston, they have Harris County. 5 different cities sit inside of Harris County, not just Houston. So anyone in, say, Spring, Texas, they're going to go to Harris County courthouse to get their divorce, just like anyone in Houston, Texas. Okay. Same thing you can do in other cities. Just verify with your attorney that they can handle these kind of cases as well. So what I would do is, if we're trying to rank the homepage for Austin, Texas divorce lawyer, I would make an inner page, you know, smithlaw.com/roundrock. You know, and then I would rank that page. The SEO meta title would be something like best Round Rock divorce lawyer - cost and fees, or cost, reviews. That way you hit all those keywords with one page. Then there would be another inner page, best Pflugerville divorce lawyers reviews, cost, whatever. That would be the SEO meta title. Okay, these are just easy pages to rank, inner pages to rank. And you can show your client, hey, you're not only ranking for the one city you paid me, we've picked up these surrounding cities. They're going to pull your clients in for you as well. These also have a high chance of converting into clients because they're just people in smaller cities who may have run a different search, but they're still looking for a divorce lawyer. You can also, say you have 10 of these surrounding city inner pages, you can do a backlink back to your homepage or your main practice area page and boost those rankings up as well. Okay. So I'm Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com. Drop a comment for me. Helps with the algorithm if you comment on these things. Give me a like, give me a share. And if you want a copy of my Google Doc, just join the newsletter below in the description. and then ask me in your first email to me, hey, send me a copy of that